actually staying at Pop Century for a few days. It's going to be a great day. We're heading off to Magic Kingdom. Got some amazing fast passes, and today is my birthday. Ooh, so happy birthday to me. So anyhow, tag along and we will have a great time.
We're all waiting for you. Hi, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. We are heading in to get a few character pictures. This is going to be very fun. We're just about up here. We're going to meet the great Goofini and Donaldo. This will be pretty awesome. Goofini! Goofini! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Strike a pose. I want a hug. Very, very fun. Thank you. Thank you. Donaldo! Donaldo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! What about me? I want a hug. It's my birthday. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah. Sing it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Chicken nugget meal, and it comes with fries and the juice. Thank you, thank you.
Would you like for us to sing a Cosmic Ray's birthday song to you?
What? That would be awesome. You're gonna sing a Cosmic Ray's birthday song.
Sing it, mine.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3. Cosmic Ray's birthday celebrate this birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was cool. So the meal here at Cosmic Ray's, we're at Magic Kingdom, came to $20.75. I got the children's chicken nuggets and french fries and an apple juice. Gary got a chicken sandwich that has bacon on it and french fries. They always have super good food here. Just love it. And they sang happy birthday to me. That made me feel special. Getting ready to get on Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger spin. Alright, let's see which one of us does better. I don't know. Gary usually does pretty good on this one, so we'll see. So Gary won. Gary won. Gary won. Oh man. Man. Gary's way better at that stuff than me.
Alright.
That was pretty fun.
Look at me up there.
It looks really delicious. I've seen several people have that. I have to have it. I think it tastes nice. Cotton candy with sugar sprinkles and Mickey's sugar cube. So there it is.
She takes the cold swirl.
That's so good. Oh my gosh, that's good. I'm gonna take one of these sugar cubes off here too.
Okay.
You quit. That sugar cube literally is a sugar cube. Woo. But the ice cream's amazing. If you haven't tried it, this is so good. Way better than I thought.
Yeah.
I'm kind of surprised.
What about the cone taste?
Normally I'm not a cotton candy person, but that's good.
Absolutely.
I'm going after it. After all, it's my birthday.
Yep. That's right.
Hi everybody, go ahead and tap in on your side, please. Very good, thank you.
Well, that concludes our day today at Magic Kingdom, and thank you guys so much for hanging out with us, and hopefully you had a great time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, don't forget to check out some of our other great videos. We have a lot of videos on the resorts, different parks, all the rides, the Skyliner rides, things like that. So please don't forget to check those out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out with us for the day. Goodbye.